Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can download Arc browser on Windows 11. The browser is now available on Windows and there is no need to register on the wishlist, and we can download it for free. So all you need to do is go to arc.net, and then on the main page you should have an option to download Arc for Windows 11, or you can also try top right corner. So I'm gonna click this button over here. Let's download for Windows, and then we should immediately try to download the installer. So of course you need to save it on your PC and then run it. After you download it, you want to start it in order to keep downloading. So the installer is pretty much only the base to let the Arc browser or the Arc browser installer download the rest of the stuff. Once you download everything, this is how the installer looks like. So we have a nice little introduction, and then let's proceed by pressing this arrow, and then we need to create an account. If you have tried Arc through the wishlist, if you had access to the beta, then of course you can still use the same account. If not, then you need to create a new account. So over here, fill in your name, email, and password twice, and of course tick this box that you have to confirm that you have read the terms of service and the privacy policy, and then click on create an account. Then you can use everything that you have used so far on other browsers, so you can import everything: your tabs, your password, history, and bookmarks. So if you want to, you can select which browser you want to import, or you can just simply choose no, I want to type in all my passwords again in order to have a clean browser, and then go next. Now over here you can choose if you want your Arc browser to be the default browser, so choose yes if you want to, and of course you also can decide to not do that, and then go next. And then over here you will find your little Arc card, which can be shown to anyone, and we can also save it, and we can refresh it in order to change the color if needed. On the card we can also see the date when we have registered, and then we can click get started. And there we go, now we can start using the Arc browser. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!